Alright, so hello everyone. Welcome back to another vid. Sorry for the no audio at the start. I had it bugged. So, um, weekly forecast. Today we'll be looking at NAS, DAC, see what we're gonna see, right, for the next week. So, we got the monthly at first. And we can see the monthly is not looking like it wants to go down yet, right? You can see it's actually pumping really nicely as well. Going to the weekly. What can we see on the weekly? The exact same thing. Now tell me if you would expect the next candle to go down here and take this. You wouldn't, right? It doesn't make sense, right? It just doesn't work like that. It can be bearish, right? Don't get me wrong. But you can see we got this huge displacement, big displacement out from this candle. Why would you want to see go to the downside? There's no rejection as well. No rejection. It just went up, fell a little, and that's it. No rejection. So why would we expect to be bearish? Of course, for now, I'm bullish. Then we go to the daily. Same thing. We got big displacement. You wouldn't expect price to just do this. All of a sudden, after this huge displacement. While also, yeah, no, I don't know what I wanted to say, but yeah. We do have this huge trend line over here. That will possibly take some time in the future. But I don't think it's now. We got huge displacement. We did have this equal highs right here. Or this swing high. But it doesn't mean anything since we displaced above it so much. Yeah. I would expect actually for this fair value gap to hold. We get like we get Monday. Actually, let's look at the calendar. I forget about the calendar every time. Let's look at the calendar. This is, yeah. So we got Monday, no news. Well, we got that one folder, but whatever. Tuesday, we got meetings and some small stuff. Wednesday, we got CPI and all that. Thursday, we got PPI and unemployment claims. Friday, we got one thing, and that's it. So what would you expect to see from this, right? We can clearly see that this is the the distribution. Clearly, you cannot tell me that you will want to, like, we will go down, consolidate, Judah swing, distribution, fall. This is how the week is gonna look like from my perspective, right? And what is this? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We'll get Monday, that will go like up maybe to here. Tuesday we'll come back to the fair value gap. Wednesday will expand up. Thursday we'll have a little bit small pullback and then bounce back, and Friday will close. That's what we would expect from this, right? Looking at the news, that's what we would expect. And looking at the technical and at the fun and on the news, that's what we expect, right? I expect this hyperbolic gap to hold. I expect this space to not be closed. I mean, not all of it, right? We expect it to go a little bit down, but not all of the space to be closed. That's what we expect. We expect the price to not reach this line right here, this high of this candle, not be touched or anything. And that would make us the weak, right? If we're bullish. Since we have a little bit more time, let's look at the DXY. Let me just delete all that. Right, boom. On the monthly, we can see we had this huge rejection. Do you expect price to go back up and take that? No. We expect price to go down to this fair value gap. So what are we what am I looking at? This fair value gap. I expect a retracement because this is also below equilibrium. I think this is also OTE, if I'm not mistaken. If I take the fib and do OTE, this is OTE. So the price could go down here to this monthly fair value gap. And we can see this is kind of, you know, unsure. We are in this daily fair value gap right now, but I would still be bearish, even though it looks like we're bouncing because we rejected from upwards. We're still going down, so I would expect us to be bearish still, but be cautious, right? Be cautious. We did have this daily market structure shift. So yeah. Then we got the Euro GBP. What can we look at the Euro GBP? We got this trend line right here. This is not looking nice, to be honest, but I think what we could do is take this low right here and then go up. So I think we'll still be bearish on the Euro GBP until price comes in, take this low and rises, taking all this trendline liquidity we have right here and this huge data high. So yeah, that's the Euro GBP. Euro USD. We had this monthly fair value gap we bounced off of. Same as the DXY, I'm looking for this fair value gap to be traded into. So I'm bullish. Here, this is a little bit more tricky, so again, I'll be careful on the Euro USD. But yeah, we can see clearly that we are trapped in order flow. Same thing here, but we don't have a fair value gap. The fair value gap is down here. So this is a SMT. My bad. So yeah, that's the outlook I would have for these pairs. S&P is looking the exact same. It's just not as bullish. Not pushing itself as much. So yeah. I was still expecting it to be bullish with Nasdaq. So yeah, I would say that's it for today's vid. Tomorrow I probably will not post, but on Tuesday, actually I will. I will post tomorrow, and yeah, I will be posting all week. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and see you all in the next one. Bye.